Jackson,
Yes.
I'm your support.
Oh boy.
That was a creepy voice.
You haven't watched Rick and Morty. I'm a pickle.
What's
Pickle Rick!
Swifty?
Pickle Rick.
Gotta get Swifty.
Pickle Rick!
Gonna get Swifty. Nah, I do a terrible voice impression for Rick.
He has a strange voice.
I can do Genji pretty well. Mada mada. Yosh, itsude koi. My Halloween costume? A cyborg ninja.
Have you got Genji's new skin?
No, I haven't. I don't want that titty Genji.
But
I'm gonna get it.
Half man, half cyborg.
Wait, is it Genji? Yeah, it's Genji.
Half titty, half cyborg.
Who's gonna win? Team skin or team no skin? What is going on? Who are we going for? I don't know who we're going for!
Well, clearly the team skin won that one around.
Show you something. This is my home internet. Ready? Are you ready?
Your home internet, yeah, sure.
What the
Fuck
fuck?
off, dude. What the fuck is that
What?
insane
What?
upload speed?
I gave up on my diet. The wedding food was.
You gave up all your diet for this internet. That's what you did.
Oh yeah.
When can I move in, dude?
I downloaded Skyrim the other day, and it took me 2 minutes. And it was from Steam as well, so it's like Steam limiter.
We should be very careful because like there's 5 of them. That being said, I'll fucking die because of that. As soon as I said, be careful, goes fucking in.
Constantly crazy. The voices inside my head.
Oh no.
Oh my
Goodbye.
Oh, he's copying my strat.
What? Oh.
That was so good. That was a good play. If only you recorded that.
Always recording.
One.
Whoa!
Oh wow.
Get him. Oh, they got. Just report this on Darius.
Mow.
Can you hear my
Yeah.
fucking cat?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Just chilling in the background, you know. Mow.
She's alone and sad.
You didn't ward that bush. Were you playing Darius again? Fuck, what's with you and Darius today, man?
I don't know, it's pretty strong.
Strike casing.
Oh, come back here.
Call your E back. Yeah! I like that.
Looks cool.
It's what are you building anyways?
Pain.
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 Oh come on minions. Oh damn it. Yes!
Good minions.
Yes.
Good.
If I can pat you I would. Oh and I'll pet the screen. Yeah.
What the f-
Okay. Take it. Never mind.
Serious.
Oh my god.
I didn't think that would reach me. Wait, is the new Rift Herald just a big scuttle?
Yeah. We call them Daddy Scuttles.
They call me Daddy Cool.
I burnt my tongue.
Oh yeah, I did that the other day.
Did that this morning.
Everybody has burnt tongue this week.
What are you doing?
Wait, put your back into it.
Why are you talking like that?
Oh, so that's how you do it.
Yeah, you put your back into it.
Oh my god.
What does BF stand for?
Big fucking.
Yeah.
You want to be? Hey.
Yeah.
What?
I saw the animation too.
Yeah, I know. Stop.
I have fucking bats outside my window.
I was like wondering what that noise was. I was like, your family over there again, Capo? Fucking hell. Shit it. Oh, fuck. Holy shit. I actually played some loud music. Oh, my fucking heart, dude. They should make seagull skins for Rakan and Saya.
Seagull.
Seagulls.
Why?
Oh, we can sing the seagull song.
What's the seagull song?
It's
Okay.
Gator. Oh, it's a Greg is right behind you. Oh my god. Watch out. Boom. Man, this game's really boring.
I know.
Come on. Yes.
Fuck! Jackson. Oh, I wasn't even thinking of the song until you fucking brought it up.
Yes. If you need me, whisper.
Where are you at?
What?
Fuck!
What?
Come to me.
I got the cannon. Oh fuck.
You got the tail shot.
This guy's missing. Casadino.
Oh, what up? There he is. Oh, this guy's missing. Oh, gosh.
Casadino.
Are you mocking me?
Casadino.
No, come back.
Wait. Let's go on an adventure. Fuck you! Let me out on an adventure!
The two people that can't go over the wall uses the...
Holy shit, if I activate my W, Rakan also gains deadly plumage.
Yeah.
Whoa. So
Did
you...
you know that?
Like, I knew, but then...
I knew, but then I actually read this time.
yeah, exactly. Just slam dunk her.
What?
Oh my god.
I trusted him. I should not have trusted him.
I got
Really
it in
good.
10 seconds.
There is.
I don't mind.
Oh, stay with me, stay with me, stay with me. Oh shit.
me.
Oh,
We almost...
He's gonna jump on the wall and be like, what the fuck?
Ooh! Jackson!
I told you.
Dragon's up.
Ulted me pretty early. Oh! Oh, you almost...
Oh, the shield!
Oh, that world time W. I'll be gonna eat or some
Holy.
shit.
Lol.
I'm just stacking so I can jump on their face. Hang on. Okay, now I can jump on their face. Excuse me, sir. I would really appreciate it if I could jump on your face. Yeah, hey, how's it going? Oh, I'll catch you later, guys. Oh, jeez.
What are you on?
Nami's around there. Oh wait, she's here.
It's that heal, like look at that shit.
Oh no.
No!
You was
You bossy motherfucker! I already had my shield on him as
My
well.
life was Zaya.
My life was Zaya.
True.
Please smite it.
I don't have smite.
Oh, you
Oh my
fucking!
God,
Oh my god!
I don't have smite.
Oh, why didn't you mention it earlier then?
I thought I had it. I'm just testing you guys, man.
Testing my edginess.
I can heal you. It's
Oh, I
fine.
was gonna grab the lantern. What the fuck?
What is that damage? Holy shit!
We could probably end this.
What?
Oh my god.
Jackson?
Oh my god, what?
What the fuck?
That was busted
That happened
as
so
hell.
fast, holy shit.
What happened?
When Runon's pays off, holy shit. I'm building
I'm
that
pretty-
shit every game now.
How did I only get a B? I only got a B plus. What the fuck? 7-3-19. 7-3. What? What the fuck? That was such a good game. How the hell am I supposed to get higher than a B? A B plus? What? I don't understand. I don't understand. How? How is that a B plus?
Ha ha ha.
Dude, that was like 30 seconds of penta ranting.
I'm gonna have a shower at 2 a.m.
I'm gonna sleep at 2 a.m.
Okay.
That's a normal thing to do, right?
Yeah, I guess.